Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Moyed. I'm studying at University of Human Development, Department Computer Science. I'm gonna talk about use case diagram. It's a dynamic in nature. It's used to model the system and subsystem of the application. Built in early stage of development and developed by analysts. Involves interaction between user and system. Purpose of use case diagram. Specify the contents of a system and capture the requirement of a system and validate a system architecture. Elements of use case diagram and their representations. The actor is someone who interacts with the system. Actor triggers use case, and actor can be ranked on primary and secondary. It's represented by stick person. Use case. A set of sequences of action a system performed. A use case is always initialized by an actor and provides value to an actor. It's represented by ellipse. We have association and boundary. The association is connect an actor, and the use case is also known as communication relationship. It's represented by line. The boundary indicates the scope of the system and represented by rectangular box. Linking use cases. We have association relationship and generalization relationship. The generalization, we have a one children that based on another element that called parent. We can see it here. Linking use case. We have the include relationship. One used based case include the functionality of another include case, and it supports reuse of functionality. Extend relationship. One use case extension extends the behavior of another base. Class diagram. Class diagram is an static diagram. Class diagram used for different aspects of system, and it describes the attributes and operation of a class. It's also known as structural diagram. The purpose of class diagram, it's model the static view of an application, and it's showing the separation among of the elements of static view. Construction of software application using object-oriented language. What's the relationship for representation of class? Association. Association is between two classes that draw in a straight line between the concerned classes. Association simply states that there is some kind of link or dependency between two classes or more. That line is association that link two classes or more. Aggregation is a special type of association relation where the involved classes are not only associated to each other, but a whole-part relationship exists between them. It can represent by an empty diamond symbol, like that diamond. And aggregation is also known as shared association notation. Composition is stricter form of aggregation. Here is the part that existence depends on whole. The lifeline of the whole and the parts are identical. The notation of it's full. And that is the notation of it. Thanks for watching.